Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20, the Galaxy S20 Plus, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now all of these phones you could get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices range from $1,000 to $1,400. All right, so let's break it down. Small, medium, and large. The Galaxy S20, that's going to run you $1,000. The Galaxy S20 Plus, that's going to run you $1,200. And the Galaxy S20 Ultra, that's going to run you $1,400. Now the S20 comes in gray, blue, and pink. The S20 Plus comes in black, gray, and blue. And the S20 Ultra comes in gray and black. Now for the displays. S20, 6.2 inches. S20 Plus, 6.7 inches. And the S20 Ultra, 6.9 inches. Small, medium, and large. They all have Quad HD displays, and they all feature 120 Hz refresh rates. Now, they all have the latest processor in the GPU. That's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with the Adreno 650. What does that mean in English? Flagship specs, bro. Flagship specs. Now, here's the difference. The battery. The S20, 4,000 milliamps. S20 Plus, 4,500 milliamps. And the S20 Ultra, 5,000 milliamps. Now the S20 and the S20 Plus, they got 25 watt fast charging. The S20 Ultra, 45 watt fast charging. But here's the biggest difference between the three, the camera. Now with the S20 and the S20 Plus, on the rear, you got a quad setup. So you got a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 12 megapixel wide angle, a depth sensor, and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. Now in the front, you got a 10 megapixel camera, and these phones are capable of 30 times zoom. Now with the S20 Ultra, on the rear you got a quad setup. So you got a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 48 megapixel telephoto, a 108 megapixel wide angle, and a depth sensor. On the front, you got a 40 megapixel camera, and this phone is capable of 100 times zoom, also known as space zoom, or as I call it, scumbag zoom. All right, now I know what you're saying. Didn't you already unbox the S20 Ultra? And the answer is yes. That was dark side gray. Today we got Wesley Snipes black. All right, so let's get right into this. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Okay, so we're going to start off with the S20. All right, $1,000. Now I went with pink on this version. All right, so this is Hello Kitty pink. And fellas, if you're buying this, Dipset pink. Nice black box. Giggity. Here we go. Rah. Spider-Man on deck. Okay, now I'm going to do this quick. Inside, no case on these. All right, got your usual books and shit. Pluck them and file them. SIM ejection tool. Now on the side note, if you've been watching my videos lately, I did a lot of Samsung phones. Why is it for some reason I can't open this pack without ripping the top? Meanwhile, all I got to do is go like this. What's wrong with me? All right, let's keep it moving. Okay, so inside, filette. This is your 25 watt fast charging brick. This is going to be your USB Type-C charging cable. And of course, your AKG headphones with different size tips. Now these are the real ones. No headphone jack. All right, so it's USB Type-C. Nice braided cable. Inline controls. And like I said, AKG branding. Now for the S20, this is the pink version. Rah. Check this one out. Now, fellas, it's okay to rock pink. All right. Shout out to everybody that supports breast cancer awareness. That could be your excuse right there. This is nice. Let's get a little wipe down. Yes. I might actually have to rock this one. We'll see. All right. So this is the pink S20. Hello Kitty / Dipset. Next, let's get into the S20 Plus. Okay, now this one, I went with Dr. Manhattan Blue. Here we go. Let's unbox this. Rah. White Shoes, wherever you at, you missing all the fun. All right, here we go. S20 Plus. Now, I'm not going to, matter of fact, let me try this now. Let me try this. Let me try this. Oh, you know what it is? I'm opening it from the wrong angle. All right, from the bottom. All right, do it from the bottom. Usual books and shit. SIM ejection tool, same deal. Okay, now we don't need to go through all of this stuff. Y'all know what it is already. Rah. Here we go. The Dr. Manhattan Blue. Now, this is actually a little bit lighter than I thought. Beautiful. Okay. Now, right away, you can see the size difference. Remember, I told you small, medium, and large. Small and medium. Okay. Now, for everybody that's getting triggered when I drop these phones on the table, this is not real wood. All right? Calm down. Here we go. Now, we got the big boy. S20 Ultra 5G. Now, if y'all watch my last video, my new name for this phone is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5 Gangster Alpha Omega Supreme. This is the dopest phone on the market right now. Trust me. Now, y'all know how much I love the Galaxy Fold, the Galaxy Flip, and the Galaxy Note. This one is better. Okay, here we go. Right. Now, since these are my retail versions, I'll get into my real review this week. Here we go. Now, this one I'm going to do right. Here we go. Look, from the bottom. Bang. There it is. There it is. Learning. Pluck it and file it. SIM ejection tool. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, here we go. Right. Now, this is the one I've been waiting for. The Alpha Omega Supreme in Wesley Snipes Black. Let me do the smell test on this one. This one smells like Darth Vader's helmet. All right, if you ever bump into Darth Vader on the street and you ask him to smell his helmet, this is what it smells like. Now, little known fact, this is actually made out of the same material. Now, on a side note, one of my boys told me I better stop smelling these phones before I fuck around and catch the coronavirus. I was like, ha, ha, ha. Meanwhile, I'm back here wearing a fucking mask. Now, all jokes aside, shout out to everybody out there. Be safe. Now, as somebody that worked in the medical profession for over a decade, I could give y'all some advice. Wash your hands. All right? Wash your hands. Here we go. Wesley Snipes Black. So, side by side. Small, medium, and large. Now, I'm going to pause the video. I'll set these up real quick. Then we'll breeze through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. Now, this part of the video is sponsored by Spigen. Check this out. When you spend $1,000 for a phone, the first thing you're going to want to do is get a case. So let me show you 3 of my favorite cases, all from Spigen, all under $20. Now, on a side note, even though Spigen is sponsoring this, if y'all been watching my channel for the last 10 years, you know, anytime I buy a Samsung phone, I buy a Spigen case. So we'll call this sponsorship a happy coincidence. Here we go. First up, we got the Ultra Hybrid. Like I said, all of these cases under 20 bucks. Okay. Let's peel this off. Rah. Now, this is the Ultra Hybrid crystal clear case. Okay. Hard material. We'll slap this one on real quick. Look at the razivity on this one. Slamboy certified. Got all your buttons, all your cutouts, everything lines up. And I like this case because this one showcases the color of your phone. Let's get a little wipe down. Bang. Beautiful. Now, of course, all of these cases are wireless charge compatible. Next up, we got the rugged armor. Okay, so let's check this one out. Now, this is the case that I usually rock when I'm going to the gym. This one has a soft matte feel on the back, no fingerprints. Y'all know I love carbon fiber. This one has the carbon fiber trim. Web pattern on the inside, that's for shock absorption. Slap this one on real quick. This one has a nice amount of razivity. So it's Slamboy certified. All the cutouts, all the buttons, everything lines up. This one is real nice. No fingerprints. And finally, my favorite, the Tough Armor. Throw this one on real quick. Now, this one is maximum protection. This has your shock absorption foam on the inside. You got a kickstand that actually works and locks into place. You see? Once I lock it, you heard that little snap? No flappage on this one. This one slaps right on. Maximum razivity. All right, so this one is 100%. Slamboy certified. All your cutouts, all your buttons, everything works. Now, of course, I got it on the big boy too. 3 dope cases from Spigen. Check these out. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. When I do my full review, I'll answer all of the questions that y'all want to know. I'll do a bunch of comparisons, and I'll tell y'all everything that I like and everything that I don't like. But in the meantime, I just wanted to address one thing that came up in my original unboxing. Now, when I was going through the settings, I put the screen resolution at Quad HD. Then the refresh rate dropped to 60 Hertz. And right after that, I said the phone scrolls nice and fast. Well, I got a bunch of comments from a lot of y'all haters that was like, oh, Samsung paid you to say that. Oh, Floss, you a shill. You don't know what you're talking about. The phone got slower after that. It's not scrolling as fast. Let me explain something to y'all real quick. All right, the 60 Hertz versus 120 Hertz, you're not going to notice the difference scrolling through your phone, doing day-to-day procedures, and using regular apps. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, the S20 Ultra on the left is set to 120 Hertz refresh rate, screen resolution, full HD. The one on the right, 60 Hertz refresh rate, screen resolution, quad HD. Okay, so let's exit out of that. Let's take it over to Instagram. Okay, let's do a refresh on both. And now let's check the scrolling speeds. Here's 60 Hertz, here's 120 Hertz. Now, to me, I can't even see the difference. They're both scrolling nice and fast. You're not going to notice the difference using Instagram, using Facebook, using Twitter. Let's take it over to Facebook real quick. All right, so here's Facebook. Let's get some scrolling. Look at this. Now, here's 120 Hertz, 60 Hertz. You're not going to notice with your naked eye. So it's not like when you put it on 60 Hertz, Quad HD, the phone gets slow. No, it's going to be scrolling just as fast and just as smooth. Now, you're going to notice the 120 Hertz when you're gaming. If you're not heavy into gaming, you might as well leave it on 60 Hertz, Quad HD. You spent $1,400 on this phone. Enjoy the maximum resolution. All right, now say you're upgrading from last year's S10 series to an S20. Let's do a little size comparison so you can see what you're getting. Here's the original S10. Here's the S20. Now these are the exact same height. All right, so no difference in size. Here's the S10 Plus. S20 Plus. Let's see. Now the S20 Plus is a tiny bit taller, but basically the same size. Now here's the S10 5G. All right, the original 5 Gangster. Here's the S20 Ultra. Put them side by side. S20 Ultra 5 Gangster is a little bit taller. Two beasts right here. All right, so before I get out of here, let's just take one more look at all of these beautiful colors. First up, we got the S20 in Hello Kitty Dipset Pink. Beautiful. This is the smallest version. Got the little pink background. Real nice. Now we got the S20 Plus, Dr. Manhattan, North Carolina blue. Beautiful. This one has a little blue wallpaper. Let's take a look at the dark side gray S20 Ultra. Now this is the one I've been using all week. You see I got the video wallpaper set on this. Now on a side note, if you like this kind of video wallpaper, you can make it yourself. This is me driving through the car wash. All you have to do is open up your camera, record a video, and then set it as a wallpaper. Now it can only be 15 seconds, but it can be whatever you want. And of course, the big boy. Wesley Snipes Black, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, 5 Gangster, Alpha Omega Supreme. Spoiler alert, this is the best phone out right now. Okay, now this one has factory. Got that black wallpaper in the back. Beautiful. Let me wipe this one down. And this is going to be my daily phone right here. Check this out. Anyway, if there's anything specific y'all want me to cover when I do my full review, leave it in the comments. Other than that, I'll get up with y'all in a few days. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all talking about. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.